I am the biggest fan of Madhuri Dixit and I'm so inspired by the way she dances. Please go watch Wag Girls and support our show. हमने बहुत प्यार से बहुत हार्ड वर्क से ये शो बनाया है. Hi, my name is Anishwa Chaudhary and you're watching Telebites.
So hello, firstly welcome to Telebytes. कैसे हो आप?
मैं बहुत ठीक हूँ and I'm very very happy to be here.
तो हम सबसे पहले तो जानना चाहेंगे कि आपके कोरियोग्राफर से एक्टर बनने तक की सफ़र कैसी रही?
बहुत ही इंटरेस्टिंग रही है एंड पहले मेरी शुरुआत एज अ डांसर हुआ था देन मैंने मेरा फर्स्ट शो मिला मुझे बैक इन 2014. उसके बाद आई स्टार्टेड वर्किंग बिहाइंड द कैमरा एज वेल. सो मेरे लिए ट्रांजिशन एक्चुअली था फ्रॉम एक्टिंग to choreography and now acting again. So I've always had love for both the fields, both acting, both being in front of camera and being behind the camera. मुझे दोनों से बहुत प्यार है. Just the whole creative field, I just love being a part of this beautiful field and it's not challenging at all. In fact, I feel that as an actor, I learned a lot to be how to perform in front of camera, and as a choreographer, I learned how to perform in front of camera. So I think dono goes hand in hand for me.
ओके, आप आपके कैरेक्टर को खुद से कैसे रिलेट करते हैं?
Oh, interesting. मैं एक्चुअली ऑनेस्टली एलपी से बहुत ही अलग अलग हूँ. एलपी इज़ द कैरेक्टर दैट आई प्ले इन वैग गर्ल्स एंड कुछ कुछ चीज़ें सिमिलर है. यू कैन से एलपी का जो जुनून है, जो हार्ड वर्क करती है, वो शी इज़ वेरी हार्ड वर्किंग एंड शी हैज़ दिस पर्टिकुलर गोल इन लाइफ. तो मैं उससे बहुत रिलेट करती हूँ कि बिकॉज इन रियल लाइफ अनुष्का इज़ ऑल्सो लाइक दैट. बट एलपी में जो फियर्सनेस है, शी इज़ fierce and she's unapologetic. I think that nature is definitely not mine. But sometimes I love when there are situations in life जो होते हैं and I'll be like, LP needs to come out now. You know what I mean? So वो बहुत ही interesting चीज़ है and yeah, it was very very interesting to play LP honestly because that is not like me, but it was a challenge for me as an actor.
कमली नाम पे याद कमली कमली नाम पे याद आ
Yes.
उसका क्या कुछ एक्सपीरियंस था?
बहुत ही इंटरेस्टिंग एक्चुअली एक्सपीरियंस था मेरा. कुकी गुलाटी इज़ द डायरेक्टर ऑफ द फिल्म विस्फोट. ही हैज़ गिवन मी दिस अपॉर्चुनिटी एंड आई एम वेरी वेरी ग्रेटफुल टू हिम. उनके साथ मैंने काफ़ी टाइम से काम किया है एंड आई लर्न अ लॉट फ्रॉम हिम ऑल्सो. एंड सो ये सॉन्ग तब आता है फिल्म में जब क्लाइमैक्स चल रहा होता है. सो इट वॉज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट फॉर मी टू नो वॉट इज़ हैपनिंग अराउंड. बहुत ही केओस हो रहा है सीन में. एट द सेम टाइम दर इज़ अ शूट आउट. एट द सेम टाइम स्टेज पे कॉन्सर्ट चल रहा है. सो इट वॉज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट फॉर मी टू नो द बैक स्टोरी. उसके हिसाब से ही मैंने कोरियोग्राफी की है. एंड इवन when the shootout happens, how all the dancers and the lead has to run off from the stage and a lot of chaos happening. So I think it was very beautifully shot and it was going so well. Even the song is such a nice song. It was going so well with the climax of the song. So I absolutely had a blast shooting it.
ओके, आपके बातों से ही जानना चाहेंगे कि आप किस तरह का कैरेक्टर प्ले करना चाहते हो, जो आपका ड्रीम कैरेक्टर?
Wow. um, so I am a kind of person who loves. I'm very competitive and I love challenges. So I would definitely want to take up challenging roles. There's no particular role as such, जो I want to play. I am open to playing all kinds of roles. Any role that challenges me, that is out of my comfort zone, I want to play it because yes, of course, it's always better to play that a character that you can relate to or a character that you are comfortable with. But I like challenging myself, so I would definitely love to play challenging roles.
ओके, बात करें तो ओटीटी के प्लेटफॉर्म और मूवीज़ में क्या कुछ डिफरेंस है आपके शो?
OTT ka platform and movies. Shooting experience or just as an audience?
शूटिंग।
Shooting experience. In OTT, this was honestly my first show as an actor, Wag Girls. So it was a very beautiful and smooth experience for me. I was on the screen and everything was just so systematic and so smooth. All the departments did the best job, like they got their A game on and made it very, very easy for us actors to perform in front of the screen. And even Sunita Purwala is the best director you can ever work with. Like she also made it so so smooth for us to work with on set. Coming to movies, I have worked in so many songs as an assistant choreographer and as a choreographer that there's a lot of chaos happening behind the screen. Like there are so many dancers and so many people you have to communicate with, to find that end result of a song. फिर जब हम song देखते हैं, we know the stories behind these songs. We are like, oh, ये part पे ये हो रहा था, I was doing this and I was doing that. So it is a lot of chaos behind the screen when it comes to movie songs. And I had done one part in Lal Singh Chadda as well. Even that experience was great for me. Um, and even Kareena Kapoor was so nice to work with. She was such a good co-actor. We had even done our lines, and it was very smoothly done. And we just went on set and we shot it. So yeah.
रियलिटी शो बिग बॉस इस टाइम चल रहा है,
हाँ.
कितना फॉलो कर रहे हो आप, कोई फेवरेट?
मुझे आपको डिसअपॉइंट करना पड़ेगा क्योंकि आई डोंट फॉलो बिग बॉस. आई यूज टू फॉलो एट वन पॉइंट बट राइट नाउ आई डोंट रियली फॉलो. बट आई डू. मैं यहाँ रील्स वगैरह में जो जो भी आता है थोड़ा बहुत, हाँ, ग्लिम्स आई सी. And it's pretty interesting. I think nothing has changed. It's all a game, and it's very, very difficult to be yourself. I think, in just stuck in that house for so long. And a lot of times people ask me that, hey, will you ever go to Big Boss? And let me tell you a funny thing. There's this guy who comments on all my pictures and videos on Instagram every day, and he comments, "Ma'am, आप please अगले Big Boss season में आइए ना." I'm like, I think मैं इस person की वजह से जाने वाली हूँ because he has manifested this for me for so long now. I'm like, why does he want me go to Big Boss? It was very funny, but yeah, I guess if I ever go, it'll be interesting. But फिलहाल तो बहुत ही chaotic, and I hats off to the people who are there in that house, honestly.
अगर बात करें तो ऐसा ट्रोलिंग पॉलिटिक्स या तो फोटोज लेके कभी किसी
Yes.
कैरेक्टर लेके ट्रोल करते हैं
हाँ. Hmm.
फैंस,
Yeah.
तो इस चीज़ को कैसे मैनेज करते हो आप?
Wow. Fortunately, I have not been trolled ever. So that is one good thing. But I will say this, whenever I see my videos on Instagram, they go viral. I, I mean, it's a very normal thing. People body shame a lot, right? Like they'll comment on your clothing, they will comment on your body. And that is not a nice thing to talk about because they don't have the right to say it. तो मुझे कभी कभी अफेक्ट करता है, एंड देन आई एम लाइक, this is literally their job. They come on Instagram, they watch, they get entertained, and they comment, and they hide behind their phones. So I don't think मुझे इन लोगों को इतना importance भी देना चाहिए because their view is of no importance to me. I know how I am. I know how I carry myself off. I know what I look good in. So just for these people who troll other actors or any human being in general is not a nice thing, and it's a very negative thing, I feel. तो ये तो आपको affect होने देना ही नहीं चाहिए. This is what I feel like should happen.
फिर भी जानना चाहेंगे इस बार के बिग बॉस से कि क्लिक कहाँ है, फिर अब देखते तो रहोगे बिग बॉस के विजन हो गए, अविनाश हो गए, टीवी शो,
I have no idea.
क्या आगे तक कौन जाएगा?
Oh my god, I honestly I don't follow the show, so I don't know मैं किसको support करूँ because I really don't follow the show, so I won't be able to comment कि कौन आगे जाएगा कौन नहीं जाएगा. I don't know.
कोई आप आपके जर्नी में अभी तक
I know. So Muskan was in Big Boss, I think. Muskan Bamne was, yeah. So I know her on through Instagram, and I literally met her today in the lift, and she seems like a very, very cute, very sweet, very innocent girl. So I think if she was in, like, she continued to be in the show, I would have supported her. I would have wanted her to win the show. Yeah.
जानना चाहेंगे कि अभी तक की जर्नी में एज एन एक्टर आपके लिए कोई ऐसा कुछ मिला है जिसमें आपको चैलेंज फेस करना पड़ा है?
I think as an actor, for me, I will challenge, yes, definitely I will call it as a challenge, is the waiting time. Waiting time meaning when you are working on your craft and at the same time you audition and you wait. That waiting time is a challenge for me, and I'm sure it's the same for all the actors out there, because you never know when you get your next project, right? It's this field is only like that you get work today, you wait, then you get work, maybe you don't get work for the next 2 years, and then you get the work. So it's very up and down, it's not consistent, especially in platforms like movies and OTT. TV, I guess it's relatively better because आपको 1 साल 2 साल आपका वो काम चलता है. But in terms of movies and OTT, which I love, तो ये बहुत ही short lived होता है. So I think what you should do is enjoy each and every moment to your fullest whenever you get any project, and enjoy the whole process of it. Enjoy the process after the release, which I am doing right now. And yeah, just the waiting time, I think sometimes is challenging, but then I try to keep myself motivated कि मैं अपने क्राफ्ट पे ध्यान दूँ, मैं अपना प्रयास जारी रखूँ, ताकि जब मुझे अगला प्रोजेक्ट मिले आई कैन प्रूव माई सेल्फ.
क्या इंस्पायर किया जो आपने एक्टर बनने के लिए सोचा है, मतलब कुछ ऐसा लगा नहीं वाह.
Oh my god, I think I have grown up watching Madhuri Dixit. I am the biggest fan of Madhuri Dixit, and I'm so inspired by the way she dances. So उनके जो एक्सप्रेशंस थे बचपन में, मैं उनके एक्सप्रेशंस कॉपी करती थी और मिरर के सामने जाके लाइक वो जैसे आंखें ऐसे करती है और गाना गाती है, तो आई यूज्ड टू ट्राई टू कॉपी. And I think that was my first step towards acting, you can say, as a child. And little did I know that one day I would choreograph for Madhuri Dixit. And it is like a dream come true that I've achieved. I've taught her twice in 2 projects, and I have taught her my choreography. And it's really the day it happened, I was like, I was a child copying her in front of mirror, and today I am making her dance. Oh my god, like I am teaching her how to say what to say. So life is crazy and it's so beautiful like that. So definitely that is my first step towards acting.
क्या प्लान्स है करने का?
आगे का, I think I really want to work on my craft. I will keep auditioning for projects. कुछ projects का बात चल रहा है already, and I am also gonna keep choreographing like I do. Already some projects are on talks, and I would love to get more into theatre, because that is something that I have not gotten in touch with, and I am in the process, so maybe I'll do more of theatre from now on. ऑडियंस को मैं यही मैसेज देना चाहती हूँ कि प्लीज़ गो वॉच वैग गर्ल्स एंड सपोर्ट आवर शो. हमने बहुत प्यार से, बहुत हार्डवर्क से शो बनाया है आप लोगों के लिए. फाइनली इट्स आउट देयर. ढेर सारा प्यार दीजिए और आपके फ्रेंड्स और फैमिली को बोलिए देखने के लिए. एंड इट ऑल डिपेंड्स ऑन ऑल द लव यू गाइज गिव अस दैट अ सीजन 2 माइट हैपन, and we really want. So please do that. Thank you.
For top serials on sets to personal interviews and fun segments with actors, subscribe to Telebytes right away.